Hello and welcome back to my channel IQD to USD, the future of the Iraqi dinar. A turning point on the horizon? The global currency market is always evolving, with certain currencies attracting more attention than others. One such currency that has been the subject of speculation and anticipation for years is the Iraqi dinar, IQD. Investors and financial analysts alike have been closely monitoring its trajectory, hoping for a significant revaluation that could bring substantial returns. As we enter February 2025, exciting developments suggest that we may be at the cusp of a transformative shift. Recent adjustments in the exchange rates for the Iraqi dinar by major U.S. banks, Chase and Wells Fargo, have fueled optimism among investors. While the exact numbers remain undisclosed, inside sources indicate that these changes favor an upward trend. Could this be the long-awaited moment for the Iraqi dinar to rise in value? Let's explore the factors shaping this possibility and what it could mean for investors and Iraq's economy. A look back. The history of the Iraqi dinar. The Iraqi dinar has had a turbulent past, largely influenced by Iraq's political and economic struggles. Once a stable currency, its value plummeted in the 1990s due to international sanctions following the Gulf War. The aftermath of the Iraq War in the early 2000s further exacerbated the situation, leaving the dinar with a significantly reduced value. For years, the Iraqi economy faced serious challenges, including political instability, inflation, and a heavy reliance on oil exports. The government tightly controlled the currency, making major fluctuations uncommon. However, in the last decade, Iraq has made substantial progress toward economic stabilization, rebuilding its infrastructure, expanding trade relations, and implementing economic reforms. These improvements have laid the groundwork for a potential increase in the dinar's value. Key factors driving optimism. Economic reforms and stability. Iraq has been implementing economic policies to reduce inflation, stabilize the financial system, and create a more business-friendly environment. These efforts have boosted investor confidence and strengthened the country's financial standing. 2. Oil production growth. As one of the world's leading oil producers, Iraq's economy is heavily tied to crude oil. In recent years, the country has increased production and secured stronger trade agreements, bringing in more revenue and enhancing financial stability. A stronger economy could support a higher-valued currency. 3. Banking system modernization. Iraq has been working to modernize its banking system, improving its financial infrastructure and increasing global integration. International banks adjusting their exchange rates for the dinar may be an early sign of a shift in how Iraq's currency is perceived in global markets. 4. Stronger global ties. By strengthening diplomatic and trade relationships with neighboring countries and international partners, Iraq is becoming less dependent on oil alone. A diversified economy is essential for a more stable currency. Why are Chase and Wells Fargo adjusting their rates? The reported adjustments in the exchange rates by Chase and Wells Fargo are particularly noteworthy. These institutions are two of the largest banks in the United States, and their actions often reflect broader market trends. While the exact figures remain undisclosed, experts believe these adjustments suggest a positive outlook on Iraq's financial future. Such moves indicate a growing belief that the dinar's value could increase in the near future. What would a revaluation mean? A revaluation of the Iraqi dinar would mean its value increases relative to major currencies like the US dollar USD. This could have significant implications. For investors, those who have held on to the dinar for years could see substantial financial gains. For Iraq's economy, a stronger currency could boost purchasing power, lower inflation, and attract foreign investment. For global markets, a revalued dinar could shift dynamics in the foreign exchange market, creating opportunities for traders. However, it's crucial to approach such possibilities with a balanced perspective. Currency markets are volatile, and external factors, including political stability, oil prices, and global economic trends, can influence the dinar's future trajectory. Challenges and risks to consider. While the optimism surrounding the dinar's potential rise is exciting, several challenges remain. Political uncertainty. Iraq's political landscape remains complex, with governance and security issues still present. Oil dependency. A drop in global oil prices could negatively impact Iraq's financial stability. Economic diversification. Although progress has been made, Iraq still relies heavily on oil revenue. A more balanced economy is necessary for sustainable growth,